I do like caring for people. I like making them feel better. I get a lot of satisfaction when I know that I've made somebody's day better. You don't always get the recognition you deserve, but you know in your heart and in yourself that you did it, and that makes you feel good. And I want to be an RN because it was something I started and never finished, and I won't be satisfied until I finish. I always feel like I left something undone, and I will have a little more self-respect, a little more pride, self-esteem, more respect from others. I had enrolled at one of the local career colleges, and I had enrolled in a course that I had already taken, but they didn't accept. And I did very well, made an A in that class, but it was all the way across town. It was a lot of gas, a lot of time, and just they're very strict about attendance, and it just didn't allow for a lot of time for anything else in my life, because that one class was 4 hours a day. Yeah. And the commute was about 45 minutes each way. It cost me $800 for that one class. That's including the textbook. Now's the time. I have the means, I have the time. I believe I can do it. I'd like to make more money. That's, part of the motivation. But the biggest motivation for me is to do what I started out to do. It's flexible. You study when you can, and you don't have to drive across town, and spend all your gas. You don't have to search for a parking spot. You don't have to lug books all over. I did that when I was in my 30s. And I'm almost 50 now. I don't want to do that. I like studying at home.